ScienceAcademy.com.
Next is question number 6 from exercise 6.5. Question number 6. The question is, ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find each of its altitude. This is the question. It is given that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A and we have to find the length of its altitude. So first of all, we have to draw an equilateral triangle. Let triangle ABC be an equilateral triangle. ABC be an equilateral triangle of length of sides 2A. The length of AB is equal to 2A. The length of AC is equal to 2A and the length of BC is also equal to 2A. The total length of BC is also equal to 2A. Now we have to draw one altitude. Let AD be an altitude. So an altitude will divide the base BD into two equal parts since it is an equilateral triangle. Therefore length of BD is equal to A and length of CD is also equal to A and this angle is 90 degree. We have to find the length of AD. So we are giving the explanation of the figure. Let triangle ABC. Let triangle ABC be an equilateral triangle with lengths of sides equal to 2A. It is given in the question that ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. AD is an altitude. AD is an altitude. Since triangle ABC is equilateral, altitude AD will divide the side base BC into two equal parts. Since triangle ABC is equilateral, altitude AD will bisect side BC. That means length of BD is equal to A. Therefore, BD is equal to A, CD is also equal to A and angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. Measure of angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. Now triangle ADC is a right angled triangle. Therefore, triangle ADC is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem here. AC is the hypotenuse and with the hypotenuse AC. With the hypotenuse AC. Now applying Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, we will get AC square is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. That means CD square plus AD square. That is CD square plus AD square is equal to AC square. We can write it as CD square plus AD square is equal to AC square. Length of CD is equal to A. So it is AD square, A square plus AD square is equal to the length of AC is equal to 2A. Therefore, it is 2A the whole square. That is A square plus AD square is equal to 2A the whole square means 4A square. We have to take the square of 2 and A, which is equal to 4A square. Therefore, AD square is equal to 4a square, we have to take this a square to the right side of the equal sign. Therefore, it is minus a square. That means AD square is equal to 4a square minus a square is equal to 3a square. Therefore, for finding AD, we have to take the square root of 3a square. That is, AD is equal to root 3 into root of a square. That is, AD is equal to root 3 into square root of a square is equal to a, which is equal to a root 3 or root 3a. That is, length of altitude is equal to length of altitude is equal to a root 3 units. Thus, we obtained the length of the altitude as a root 3 unit. A root 3 is the measure of altitude of an equilateral triangle whose one side is 2a units. Okay.